What's the matter with you? You guys start laughing. Come on, you guys. Uh-oh. She went right to hello. Let's laugh again. Come on, you guys. There we go. Yeah. You're good. This bird's great for parties, huh? Isn't she cool? Already you love her, don't you? Corbell is a yellow named Amazon. We adopted her. We've had her for 18 years, so it seems like forever. But she's a great bird. She likes to copy sounds she hears. We can never make them talk. They just do it, or they don't do it. And if they do it, that's when Ed and I get right in there and start coaching them and training them to speak on cue, because everybody likes to hear that. Parrots use their intelligence to talk because they get bored. So if they're sitting in their cage all day, they can talk to themselves, right? Just like a little kid. Corbell can say hello. Hello. And she makes the sound of a car alarm. Let's hear your car alarm. Is that cool or what? Wow. We want to hear more, Corbell. Yeah, we do like that. But let's hear your name, okay? What's your name? Corbell. Very good. Corbell does 4 animal sounds. How about a rooster? Cock-a-doodle-doo. No, a rooster. Go cock-a-doodle-doo. How about a cat? How about a cat? A cat says meow. Meow. No. Clearly she's confused. And remember, everyone, she's just a bird, okay? So it's all right if she makes mistakes. The kitty cat goes, meow. No, happy meow. 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 No, kitty, meow. Meow. I love you too, but can you bark now? Whoop, whoop. And now howl. All of that free of charge. How about that, everybody? Corbell's been on the Tonight Show. No wonder she's famous, right? And she does other sounds too. Human sounds. Ready? No, that's not a human sound. Cough. The sore throat. And it works better if you do coffee first, and then you understand the sore throat joke, okay? You got it? She doesn't care. She laughs at everything. All right, singing is good. All right, I love it when you're like, it gives you a little insight on how loud they can get. Yes, it's a microphone, but truly they can get as loud as that without the microphone, okay? All right, how about a baby cry? Can you cry? Yeah, parents remember when their kids were little like that, huh? But then they grew up, right? Big kids? They're big kids now. You don't cry like babies. You cry like big kids. Well, Corbell did a great job, didn't she? She's all done. Let's give her a big hand. I love you. I love you. Say goodbye. Bye. Bye-bye. I love you. Say bye-bye. I love you. And that's what we want Stanford. She's all done. We gotta get the hook and get her out of here. And that's why Ed takes her back to the van, because she talks the whole show. All right, let's say goodbye to Corbell, everybody. Bye.